The majority of problems that people have with their direct-to-film transfers occur before they ever even order the print or get it to their shop. At ProTransfers, we've built a pre-flight tool to help with that. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use in its most basic form. And in future videos, we'll dive into some of the details that give you more fine-grained control over things. But let's dive in and look how easy it is to use this in its most basic form. I'll switch over to a demo here. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to grab an image that I want to have printed as a DTF. I'm going to pop it into the tool just by dragging it and dropping it. It's going to immediately run a scan and let me know if I'm good to go. In this case, I see right here, good to go. The reason it's good to go is it's scanned the image, it's taken a look at the size of the print that you're asking us to print. What's the effective resolution? Looks good, it's somewhere close to 300 dpi. It's detected the fact that there's some transparency in the image. So that's going to give you a good hand feel. You can run some additional simulations like a hand feel simulation or a heat press simulation, and we'll go into the details of those in future videos. Now, if there's nothing wrong with the image and it's good to go, you can simply use the image that you uploaded. But if you've made some changes to the image using any of these tools, you can also download the modified image, and you can use that image when you upload it to ProTransfers and place your order. That's how easy it is to use this pre-flight tool in its most basic form. And we think that'll give you a lot more confidence in the prints that you're ordering so that you know when they get to your shop and you're ready to press them on your garment that they're going to work. We think that's going to save you a lot of time, money, and headache. I'm Paul from ProTransfers. Thanks. We'll see you in some future videos where we dive into some of the details. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.